Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. This video, Shiba Inu News Today, will make you never sell your SHIB tokens. Given that the well-known meme token experienced an incredible 45 million% increase in value last year, Shiba Inu is likely one of the most followed cryptocurrencies globally. However, Shiba has faltered since then, falling 70% so far this year, and investors are unsure if it will be able to regain its initial momentum. Shiba Inu is expected to provide more today than it did when its gains were at their peak. The cryptocurrency is developing a Layer 2 scaling solution and making inroads into the metaverse. After seeing this video, Shiba Inu News Today, we will discuss why you will never sell your SHIB tokens. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right away. Shiba Inu was founded as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community creation, and thus far, it has succeeded in achieving that objective, according to its white paper. The SHIB Army, a group of supporters, has mobilized on social media in support of the token and contributed significantly to its growth. It is an Ethereum-based currency that may be used to pay at a select few retailers, invest in Shiba Inu, or make passive income by staking your tokens. SHIB is headed toward becoming a more powerful cryptocurrency than it was previously. It is creating Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution. Although the developers have not yet announced the launch date, Layer 2 should improve transaction speeds and reduce costs, which will be very beneficial to users. With the goal of creating a whole virtual community, Shiba Inu has also been creating a metaverse with land parcels for sale. Shiba Inu will eventually list over 100,000 lots for sale. About 32,000 plots have been made available thus far in the first phase. Shiba Inu will be a more formidable player than it was in 2021. When it reported significant profits once Shibarium and the Metaverse project are fully operational. There isn't a clear reason for this cryptocurrency to take off, though, as even these initiatives don't make SHIB distinguish out from the competition. The fact that there are 549 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation is an even greater issue. SHIB's market capitalization would surpass that of the whole cryptocurrency market and even well-established corporations like Apple if it were to rise from its current fraction of a cent level to $1. This issue cannot be resolved by Shiba Inu's burn efforts alone. No clear conclusion has been achieved despite the fact that numerous specialists have attempted to explain Shiba Inu's remarkable growth and ascent to stardom. According to some, Shiba Inu's blockchain technology outperformed its rivals, providing higher security and quicker transaction times. Some claim it was the fervor surrounding meme currencies at the time. But in the end, no one can explain why this cryptocurrency became so successful. All that is known is that SHIB created a stir during its brief but remarkable existence, and its influence will endure long after its unavoidable extinction. In 2022, Shiba Inu has had consistent sell-offs, which is consistent with the overall trend of the digital assets market. The SHIB community still believes the token will close out the year strongly, nevertheless, as there are no indications of a potential bullish trigger in the near future. By December 31, 2022, the token's average value, according to the SHIB community on CoinMarketCap, would be $0.11, which would imply gains of 17.53% from the asset's price at the time of publication. According to information received by Finbold on November 12, the estimations are based on votes cast by 2,924 members who used the price estimate tool. Interestingly, community members' wagers match SHIB's growing number of holders, suggesting that investors continue to have faith in the token's future surge and potential return to 2021 highs. As of November 11th, the number of holders in this line has steadily increased to 1,243,347. Over the previous 3 months, this amounts to a 3% increase, or 37,225. Given that the decentralized finance token is currently experiencing the consequences of the FTX crypto exchange liquidity crisis, the SHIB technical analysis is still pessimistic. Although oscillators are neutral at 9 on the daily gauges, a summary of the technical indicators reveals 14 signals for sell, with the moving averages supporting a strong sell at 13. At $0.96, down more than 23% over the past 7 days, SHIB has continued its week-long decline. Overall, SHIB's chances of making significant profits are mostly dependent on the direction of the overall cryptocurrency market's pricing. Amidst the turbulence in the cryptocurrency market, wealthy SHIB investors are transferring hundreds of billions of tokens. Shiba Inu burn project Shib claims that cryptocurrency whales move 877 billion SHIB tokens, valued at $7.8 million, in a sequence of transactions, using data from the Ethereum analytics site Etherscan. On November 2nd, when the 14th largest cryptocurrency asset by market capitalization was trading at a high of $0.13, the first transfer involving 202 billion SHIB was completed. On November 6th, 190 billion SHIB was transferred to Crypto.com in the second transaction, which also caused the digital currency to hit an intraday high of $0.13. On November 7th, when SHIB was trading at an intraday high of $0.12, wallets from cryptocurrency exchange Binance started the third and biggest of the 3 transactions. 485 billion SHIB tokens were transferred to one of the whale's wallets. Since then, Shiba Inu has declined in value in tandem with the general decline in cryptocurrency markets. SHIB is currently down 12.73% over the past day at $0.01. A significant portion of the market decline has been accompanied by issues at cryptocurrency exchange FTX, which reached a provisional agreement with Binance for the exchange to purchase FTX.com. Following the announcement of FTX's liquidity problems, the exchange's native token is now trading at $4.79, 93% lower than its peak, having lost more than 68% of its value. As they unveiled the ShibaSwap decentralized exchange, Shoshi non-fungible tokens, and the envisioned Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, developers offered a number of tokens, including the Bone shibaswap token. After the governance token was published on many platforms, Bone's price experienced a prosperous August. However, it has since corrected and was down 14% in the last month as of October 31, 2022. In July 2021, Shiba developers introduced the ShibaSwap decentralized exchange to give users, referred to as the SHIB Army, a way to exchange their SHIB tokens for other cryptocurrencies. A fork of the SushiSwap DEX, ShibaSwap was developed with native tokens and a distinct fee incentive structure. SushiSwap and ShibaSwap both use ERC20-based tokens and operate on the Ethereum blockchain. Users can vote on ideas for the project's future development, such as which pairs will be introduced to ShibaSwap through the Doggy Decentralized Autonomous Organization, using Bone, which was developed as the governance token for ShibaSwap. A user's vote has a greater impact on the result the more Bone tokens they own. A maximum of 250 million Bone ShibaSwap tokens are available for usage by those that supply liquidity for ShibaSwap exchange pairs. According to CoinMarketCap data, there are now 6.97 million Bone tokens in circulation out of a total supply of 229.99 million. The 250 million maximum supply was intended to bridge the gap between the relatively lower LE8SH token supply and the enormous 500 trillion quantity of SHIB tokens. In order to maintain its price tied to another asset, Doge Killer LE8SH was introduced as a rebased token that functions similarly to an algorithmic stablecoin by dynamically increasing and decreasing supply based on an algorithm. There are only 17,640 LEAH tokens available in total. The Shiba Inu website claims that LEASH is the second token that shibaswap is offering incentives for. Its liquidity will allow holders to get substantial benefits. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.